Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to connect your iPhone hotspot to your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, we need to grab our iPhone. Head over to the Settings app. Once you're there, look for the hotspot setting. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to go into Mobile Services first, and then you'll find Hotspot inside. Okay, now that you're in your hotspot settings, make sure that the Allow Others to Join toggle is switched on. This is super important. Also, take a quick note of your Wi-Fi password right below this setting. We'll need this for the Mac. Stay on this hotspot page on your iPhone for now. Alright, we're done with the iPhone for a second. Let's switch over to the Mac. Connecting to the iPhone hotspot is super easy. Just click on the Wi-Fi icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. You should see your personal hotspot appear. The reason why it appears in the personal hotspot section is because they are both connected to the same iCloud account. However, if it's not showing up there, or if it's someone else's iPhone, click on Other Networks. You should find the personal hotspot listed there. Once you've located the correct hotspot, click on it. It'll probably ask you for a password. That's the password I told you to note down earlier. Enter the password, and you'll be successfully connected to your iPhone hotspot. And that's it. You can now use your Mac and your iPhone together just as you normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.